So today is a pretty special day because we're going to learn something new. As some of you might remember, a few months ago I massacred the process of gutting a fish and preparing it for dinner. Well, we decided to do something about it. So today we're going out with a commercial fisherman and we're going to learn the process of not just catching the fish, but then we're going to meet up with the head chef of a local restaurant here and learn how to cook it. But I don't think it's fishing season at the moment. I think they're catching squid out there. So I'm not sure what we'll go out and catch, but whatever we get, we're going to learn something new, right?
Oh yes, definitely.
You looking forward to learning something new?
Yes. It's just that it's very early in the morning and that's the only thing that I'm scared of. It's being tired and sick, so...
Oh, we're not going to be sick. It's very calm, and I'm sure it'll warm up as the day goes by.
Yeah. Let's hope so. Let's go!
Now today wasn't just about catching fish. As newbie sailors, an ongoing source of anxiety has been navigating around fishermen and their submerged nets. Many sailors have been known to hook their propeller in fishing nets becoming immobilized, or worse, dragged by the fishing boat itself. We've had a few close calls and I wanted to get the inside scoop into how to avoid this sort of thing happening to us.
So what's really entertaining is, you can see we're pretty decked out, or I'm pretty decked out in my waterproofs, but at least I'm wearing a pair of jeans. Laura, on the other hand, is preparing to go out into the Atlantic Sea in 6 meters of swell.
Well, we'll see who's gonna laugh when we're gonna be on that fisherman boat. I saw different documentaries about that, and it's always a mess.
So as you can see, Laura's decked out in full waterproofs from head to toe. She's even got gumboots on. So here in Italy, it's actually not authorized for civilians like us to head out fishing with commercial fishermen from the port. So what we're going to do is we're going to meet the fishermen out at sea via inflatable dinghy or a rib. Kind of looks like we're trafficking drugs.
As we left the marina, our friends Francesca and Giulio confirmed that it will be squid on the menu today, and that we'll be meeting one of Ragusa's most famous fishermen, Orazio.
What always happens when we're out sailing is we always get pretty close to fishing boats, right? Often it just happens that you end up going in the same sort of direction. And what I want to understand is how long the nets are, and how deep the nets are.
Giulio explained that standard trawling nets vary in length and depth depending on what the trawlers are actually fishing for. As a general rule, he suggests giving the trawlers a distance of around 200 meters to avoid much trouble. Unlike the trawling method, Orazio places fixed nets overnight to catch the squid.
The first period when the squid is coming to reproduction, they coming on the surface of the water. When they finish about April, May, and the squids go back, goes coming on near the bottom of the sea.
So you think it's coming to the end of the season, and that's why they're so
When
long?
finish the reproduction, in Spain with a piece of the brain of the fish.
Yeah.
They made a gift.
In Spain?
Yeah.
Orazio told me that he often makes jewellery from this type of fish's skull, which he then sells on to discerning customers in Spain. Sadly, no woman in my life would like to wear a bit of fish skull.
So in this period we are sailing the boat to coming in Marina di Ragusa. I said be careful because there are fishing nets. You cannot go very close with the coast. This is an important information.
Absolutely.
I just don't want ink on the camera.
Look.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
We're gonna cook them. Grazie.
Grazie.
If you enjoy these videos, why not consider becoming a patron of Sailing Talia? As a member of Team Talia, get access to an exclusive look behind the scenes and help us decide on what kind of videos you'd like to see. Head over to sailingtalia.com to find out more.
Well, it wasn't the most successful morning of fishing, but we managed to catch quite a handful of squid. But now it's time for breakfast and espresso italiano. So what was your favorite part of this morning?
Being at sea, it was really quiet. Beautiful sun, beautiful sky. It was really interesting to see how that guy is, how he works actually. This is not something we used to see every day, so no, it was interesting. It must be a really hard job, waking up so early every day and then pulling the nets out of the water.
So how do you feel about squid now?
That I don't know because how can I tell you? Not attracted at all. It's gonna be interesting to cook them. I'm not sure I'm gonna eat them though. I don't mind see how it's cooked, but I think I really don't like the texture. That's the main issue I have with squids. But who knows, maybe it's gonna be very tasty and well prepared, so maybe I will try and eat it. I think I'm gonna try.
I think you have to try.
Oh yeah, okay, I have to try, I'm gonna try, but if I don't like it, I'm not gonna force myself and eat
No,
it.
of course. Very good. I'm proud of you.
Speaking with Fresco's head chef Caterina, we learnt that today we'll be cooking one of Sicily's most revered recipes, pasta al nero di seppia, squid ink pasta.
Operation chirurgica.
Surgical operation.
Yes.
Watch out because you have to do it after.
Yeah.
We take off all the interiors. The only thing we need to be careful because this is the black ink.
Yes.
She's gonna take it very delicate.
Molto.
Molto delicato.
Exactly.
Ah,
Professionale. Ok.
Levando.
allora, intanto
Stiamo levando presto.
Sì, sì.
piano piano fai così e tagli delicatamente.
Tranquillo.
Tranquillo. Perfetto.
Is it okay?
Yeah, perfetto.
Perfetto. Vai. Ok.
Let's find the
Allora il
ink.
filo parte da qua.
That's what.
Ok? Per adesso facciamo così. Lo stacchiamo, staccalo poco.
Pull.
Intanto staccalo
Sì.
poco, leggermente.
Slightly take it out.
Allora, vediamo se riusciamo. Sì, rotti.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
That's
it's getting black.
Poi tiralo tu piano piano, vai.
very slightly.
Ah! No! Si è rotto. Non è un problema. Passalo da tappa, puliscilo un po' meglio. Si è rotta la sacca.
Did you make a mess?
Yep. I wasn't very successful in doing it without breaking the ink, but I did something right. I promised the patient was dead when I arrived. I clearly have a souvenir from our trip out squidding.
We started cooking the squid, and as you probably saw already, it was a bit of a mess. But I must say that it looked really difficult to clean a squid, especially for the first time. So I'm kind of proud of Luke, what he did. And yeah, we're gonna keep cooking it with some pasta, so we have to go back to the restaurant right now. I'm not sure what we're gonna do after the restaurant and after the cooking, but maybe we'll go to the beach or just relaxing, because these last couple of days we've been working a lot on our videos. All right, let's go back cooking.
Oh, it's good. Molto bene. It's like a hash brown.
It's called soffritto.
Soffritto, cipolle e alle.
Very important in all the Italian dishes is to make this. Oil, garlic and onion.
Olio, peperoncino
And pepper. Yeah, red pepper.
anche il
A little bit
prezzemolo.
of parsley.
Ok.
This is the base of every Italian dish. Starts with that soffritto.
Che fa?
Okay. Sounds good.
Frying.
Even behind the mask, it smells good. Delicious.
Also another very important thing.
Ah, yes.
Wine.
Katerina explained that the final element, the black ink, was to be added after the squid had cooked in the tomato sauce for about 10 minutes.
Actually, the tomato, it's actually not bad at all.
No.
I think the tomato gives it a bit of sweetness. So we've heard of pasta to plate, where you get your food as quickly as possible from the meadow onto your plate. Well, in this case, we've got a squid that we've caught this morning, and we're about to have it for lunch right now. Check this out. It doesn't get much fresher than that. If COVID allows, we'll only be in Sicily for a few more weeks before setting sail once again. So if you know of any special Sicilian dish or experience that we just can't miss, make sure you comment down below.
Thanks for watching and see you next Thursday!
Cheers, legends!